Alright, mattystuntz talking down the barrel of a loaded M4.
It's fucking cold. Again, it's Canada. But we're gonna try to do something cool today. And we're gonna try to pop a balloon with our airsoft guns while it's on top of the, or below the mini quad. So we're gonna see if it works. The airsoft gun can't really pop the balloon that easy, so we're gonna have to blow them up to like near popping capacity and see if it'll work. But
take out the happy face balloon. Oh, I guess we gotta blow one up, don't we?
should we give the balloons names?
Okay.
Pilot names?
Like, should one be
Mr. Aluminum? Is it on safety?
It's on safety. It's gonna fly wonky, I think. It's gonna fly weird.
Oh, you know what? We can tape it in place now that it's there.
Yeah, but you're gonna be moving forward.
Yeah, but when I do the quick turns like this.
Well, you might not be able to.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna know that when I'm actually like in it, you know, flying.
Because if you fly, you know, if you do like some nice half Cubans, you'll be okay, I think.
No. I'm gonna fucking, you're not gonna be able to hit this thing, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna need you to hurry up. Getting an itchy trigger finger here.
Okay, hack job. Put it.
Oh yeah, that's
Oh
good.
yeah, we're good to go, bud.
Golden. So do I need to hold it for the launch, or?
I'll hand launch it. No, can't
Doesn't
do
like it.
Doesn't like it. I guess that is a thing. We didn't really take in consideration there.
No.
It's too wobbly. Well, let's see if I can get it out of my hand. Maybe it might not just like that it can't correct itself while it's in my hand.
Throw her down and I'll like throw some snow in there.
Oh, good to go, bud.
Good to go?
Get it! Oh no!
I got it.
And down she goes. We're having bad luck here with these little inventions we have going on. What do you think's how are we gonna get this thing to work?
I think you should just fly and I'll just shoot at you.
Oh, at me. Yeah, sure.
Try and hold
buds.
her. Hold her steady.
Sure there, buds.
I'll try and shoot your aircraft.
Shit, I took my antenna off before fucking turning it off.
Can a quad withstand a barrage of BBs?
Yeah, sure. Let's just try to shoot it with it. You want it?
I don't know. It's up to you. It's your quad.
Well, you can try to hit it. If you
I'll try and hit it.
Oh, I saw it in my screen.
Oh, not a fucking chance. I'm empty. That's it.
That's all she wrote?
That's all she wrote.
Oh no!
Oh, nice save.
I'm good to go. I'm gonna get up where you were because I was afraid I was gonna come around, and then you were just gonna go bop 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 like this and just like mow me down.
Boom! Boom!
Fuck, the sniper's cool, man.
I know.
Boom!
Boom!
Plug that into the old goggles there.
No, when you kill it, it kills it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
When was the last time you flew a quad? Really? 6 months, 7 months?
Yeah, about that.
That's a little bit more powerful than the last one that
Okay.
you put on, or that you've flown.
Yeah.
Just
So-
a tad bit more powerful.
So I'm just gonna play around these trees, I think. Okay, so when it's armed, will it throttle up right away?
No, it'll just sit there and idle.
Fucking 6S power.
Just be nice and gentle. The fucking thing's gone, eh?